No, baby, yeah. Okay, so what concept we completed, guys? Functions, right? So yesterday we completed functions. Okay, fine. Functions completed. So what is the next topic? What is the next topic in Python? Okay. So we completed string, we completed list, we completed tuple, we completed set, we completed dictionary. We completed dictionary. And also loops, you know very well, functions. Functions also we completed. Okay, chalo. Next, what I'm going to teach you is the main. It's not important. I'm telling openly, like, but sometimes might be. Sometimes few people might expect you from this. What are the concept names? What was the concept name is known as a lambda function. So I can write here lambda function. Okay, the name is nothing but a lambda function. So few people will expect. It's not mandatory to learn. If you don't want to learn, no problem. That's not an issue at all. Okay, lambda function. What is the meaning of, see, yesterday you learned functions. Today lambda function. So lambda function basically lambda function is known as an lambda function is known as an anonymous function. Okay, is known as an anonymous function. So lambda function is known as an anonymous function. What is the meaning of anonymous function, sir? What is the meaning of anonymous function? See, anonymous function means function function without function name. Okay, function without function name. So you will be having the function, but there will be no function name. See, yesterday, if you see, am I recording the section? Just give me a minute. Okay. So, see, let's say yesterday what we have seen, def, for example, Kumar or whatever it might be, and two dots. Guys, tell me, in this function name is there or not? Do we have the function name or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, this
Kumar.
is the function name.
Yes.
Kumar is the function name. But when coming to lambda function, there will be no function name. There will be no function name. Sir, how it is possible? How it is possible? I want to add two numbers. So I will individually, I'll just make a block here. Let's take a block and let me explain you with the functions and with lambda functions. Very simple logic, guys. Okay. For example, let's take two. This is using function. This is using functions. This is using functions. So my question here is, sir, you are writing the function. Take two numbers and add them. Take two numbers and add them. So A is equals to 10. B, sorry, we are going to write, okay, no problem. We are going to write function. See, def Kumar A comma B, or let's say X comma Y, anything, same parameters you can pass, same variables you can pass, and you can pass anything. Print A plus B, print A plus B. So here I'm writing, I'm calling the Kumar function and I'm sending A comma B, A comma B. So guys, I already told you, this is a box, yes or no?
Yes,
Function
sir.
is a box. Function is a box. Here one interview question I will ask you. See how the interview questions will be. Like they will ask you logical questions, like you can't expect a direct easy questions. A simple question I will ask you. A simple question. Function is a block first of all. Okay, A is a variable which will save in the memory. B is a variable which will save in the memory. So function is a box will also save in the memory. Okay. So tell me guys what you are doing here. Generally what you are doing in this line. You are calling the function. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
We are calling the function. So user is calling the function. So while calling the function, what user is sending? What user is sending? What is A? A
Variable.
means A means 10.
Okay.
It's a variable holding 10. B means it's a variable which is holding 20. Which is holding 20. Now my question for you is, here also you are taking A, here also you are taking B na. So do this AB and do this AB, which means these two are same,
Yes,
are
sir.
same.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No, sir. Kumar
How?
AB and the newly existed values, no?
Yes. Very good. See, and okay, one more point I will ask you. Okay, tell me the AB which we have given here. For example, let's say white color. Yeah. So Kumar, sorry. While calling the function, I am sending AB. So this A, this B, and this A, this B, both are same or not?
Same.
Yes, yes, yes or no? This AB only, no, you are sending.
Yes, sir.
This AB only we are sending. This AB I am sending to the function. So when you are sending to the function, in the function AB is there. So you need to keep only one thing in mind. See, it is a variable A. A is holding 10. It is a variable B which is holding 20, which means you are sending 10 and 20, not A and B. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
You are sending 10 and you are sending 20. Now you will ask me, sir, here AB is there, here AB is there. These two are global variables. Am I right? Global variables. AB is the global. Now tell me the AB which is present in here in the function, local variables or global variables?
Inside the function, local variables. Outside the function,
Yes.
global.
I'm asking about these two. I'm asking about these two.
These two are local.
Local
They are
variables.
local variables. Local variables. Now tell me the memory address for the global variables AB, the memory address for this local variables AB will be same or different? These two memory address will be same or different? Will be different.
Different.
Okay. So see, A is holding 10, B is holding 10. For while calling the function, you are sending AB. That doesn't mean you are using AB here. A means 10, B means 20. 10 you are sending to A and 20 you are sending to B, which means A equal to 10, B equal to 20. These are local. These are local. For example, see, in the Uttar Pradesh, there is a person Kamal. In Andhra Pradesh, there is a person Kamal. Both the names are same, but two different people are not.
Yes, sir.
Okay, they belongs to India only. So functional is like India. Okay, this is from Andhra Pradesh, this is from Uttar Pradesh. See, addresses are different. Understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is possible. This is known as in generally, okay, normal way. See, then how the lambda function will be given, sir? See, for example, how the lambda function will, simple logic. First of all, every time I will tell you the syntax, how to write. Syntax, the rule that we need to follow. Syntax. Lambda function. Lambda arguments colon expression. Arguments colon expression. So guys, I told you what is the meaning of argument. Meaning of argument. Now tell me, this is a parameter function or non-parameter function? The function which I have written here, it is a parameter function or non-parameter function? It's a parameter function. It is accepting the parameters. It's a parameter function. If you remember or not, when I am teaching you POW concept, I told you POW will expect three parameters, yes or no?
Yes.
One is X, one is Y, one is Z. Z is an option. Do you remember? I told you this concept. So I told you on the day, POW is a built-in function which accepts three parameters. So terminology, few people will call parameters and few people will call them as arguments. Arguments, okay. Few people will call them as parameters. Few people will call them as arguments. Now see here, lambda arguments call an expression means lambda parameters call an expressions only, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Arguments, parameters, everything is same here. Terminology is different. People will call arguments, few people will call expressions. Expression. See, let's say come here. Lambda function. Lambda function syntax. See, lambda arguments colon expression. So all these things should be in your mind only. Syntax is everything. So if you do practice daily only, you can remember. I'm telling you. In one day you won't get. Slowly, while working, you will get it. Okay. So arguments and expressions. So how you will write the same concept, same adding two numbers. How you will write in the lambda function, sir? How you will write? See, lambda function. I will write here. Lambda functions. Lambda functions. Okay, done. How to write, sir? See, first of all, I will write A. First of all, I will write A. A equal to 10. B equal to 20. A equal to 10, B equal to 20. Okay. See, what you have to do is, you take a variable. Take a variable. I am not going to do anything to that variable. See, I am leaving like that. See, print C of, for this particular C, I am sending A comma B. I am sending A comma B. Sir, okay. Print is nothing. You can print is nothing but to print. Print is nothing but to print. You know, C of A comma B. I am writing. Guys, you tell me what is the meaning of it. For example, see here. If I am writing power of pi comma 2, for this particular built-in function, I am sending x and I am sending y. Yes or no? See here, same concept. For this particular variable, I am sending variable A and variable B. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So what does it mean? Like a lot of people will think C of A comma B means what, sir? For this variable, I am sending them. I am sending them. But my question is, what is C here?
Print.
Have you written anything?
No.
It is empty. So here, see what I will do. Lambda. So C is a variable. C is a variable holding lambda function. C is a variable holding lambda function. So lambda function expects what? What it expects? Arguments, which means parameters. So C is a variable which is holding lambda function, which means nothing but we are calling the lambda function. Which means nothing but you are calling the lambda function. C of A comma B. C of A comma B. What is C? You are calling the C. What is C? C is a variable holding lambda function. Here you are calling, indirectly you are calling. So while you are calling the lambda function, you are sending two variables, yes or no? You are sending two parameters, yes or no? A comma B. So I will accept this A with a variable X or A or anything, comma, I will accept this B with Y. See, lambda arguments completed or not? Guys, arguments completed or not? Arguments completed. Two colon. I am writing two colon. What is the expression? Expression. You are accept lambda function. Lambda function is accepting two inputs from the user. Yes or no? It is accepting two inputs, two parameters from the user. So you are accepting. Use them. You are accepting. Okay, you need to use them, no? So
Yes.
I am using them. X plus y. X plus y. Now see, I will erase all these things. Erase all these things. I will keep in the print. See, print C of A comma B. So the person is calling C. What is C? C is a lambda function. C is a lambda function. So for this lambda function, user is sending A to X, B to Y. What is A? 10. 10 you are giving to X, which means X is 10 only, no?
Yes, sir.
So B is nothing but 20. 20 you are giving to Y, so 20. And not only accepting, you are using right side. You need to use them. 2 colon use them. 10 plus 20, how much?
30.
30. 30 will be printed or not?
Yes, sir.
In the inside operation, you are getting 30. You are printing that 30. Now tell me, in these 4 lines, is there any function name?
No, sir.
Are you using any function name to call the function? No. Directly we are using the variable. Am I right? Am I right or wrong? Simple. That is the lambda function. I will tell you one more example.
Yes, sir.
But sir,
Yes.
we are writing lambda there, like lambda x y, comma x comma y. C is
Yeah.
it lambda x comma y. So we are writing the function name here.
This is not the function name. This is the built-in function. I mean, this is the topic name, na? Built-in topic name, lambda.
Okay.
See, for example, this is a functions concept. Are you writing function here? The keyword function?
Yes, sir. Kumar. No.
You are writing. What I'm asking is, this is a function concept.
Yeah.
Okay. So in the place of function name, are you writing function? FUNCTAO? No.
No.
So this is a function syntax where user can write any function name what he needed.
Okay.
But here you see lambda means representation. The user is writing lambda function. My question is, the user is writing lambda function. Do he is giving any name for this one? Like how
No.
you are giving here?
No.
You are just saving in a variable. So
Yeah.
now tell me lambda function is having function name?
No, sir.
No function name.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So lambda is a keyword or can we get any lambda? This is
Lambda is a keyword. I mean built-in function name. It's the name of the topic. You need to write lambda. For example, print. What is the print? Built-in provided.
yes.
Type built-in provided, like that lambda. Lambda. If you write lambda means it will understand. Python will understand. Okay, user is writing lambda. Lambda concept.
Okay.
Guys, understood? No?
Yes, sir.
This concept I'm asking. So one more example I will give you. One more example. See, accept a value from the user. So I will write here. I will implement also, no worry. So accept a value. Accept a value from user and add 100 to it. 100 to it. Its function means it's very easy. You will send a variable, it will take inside. There you will add the whatever you are sending plus 100. But I need with lambda function. See, I am taking A is equals to 10. Okay. C is equals to, I am not going to write now. C is equals to, simple, leave it. So print C. So for this C, what I am sending? What I am sending? A. Okay. So C lambda. How many parameters you are sending guys for the lambda function?
One parameter.
Only one you are sending. So one I am accepting with X. What is X now?
Sir,
X
why
is
you
nothing
are
but
taking X?
take any variable here. It's a variable place. You take any variable. You take
Why
A,
don't
you
you
take.
take A, sir?
Yeah, take it. No problem. Anything you can take.
Okay.
You can take anything. Just you will confuse me. That's why I'm taking some other way. Okay. So I am calling the lambda function and I'm sending A. So A I am accepting with a variable here. Any variable you can write. You can write A, you can be write B, anything you can write. It's your wish. Now tell me X is what? X is 10 only, no? After accepting, I need to
Yeah.
use them or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You need to use them. So X plus 100. Completed or not?
Yes, sir.
Simple logic. So Shravani, yes, we can take any variable here. You pass A, no problem. It's a variable related to the lambda. No, you can take anything here. If you take A means what happens? A is a variable holding 10. So here A plus 100, 10 plus 100, same story. But you will confuse them. That's why I am taking X. For better understanding purpose, I am taking in other variable. Okay, same thing I will implement. Okay, what is the meaning of lambda function? Lambda function is nothing but it's also a function. Lambda, sorry, lambda function. Lambda function is also a function where it is called as anonymous. I am very poor in spellings. Don't know the spelling name. Let's see. Very poor in spelling. Sorry for that. Like, yeah, anonymous function. Okay, it's also a function where it is called as anonymous function. It's not anonymous function. What is the meaning of anonymous function? A function without function name. A function without function name is known as an anonymous function. So let me write the syntax. Okay, what is the syntax? Any variable you can take, that's your wish. Variable is equals to any variable you can take. Lambda arguments colon expressions. Arguments colon expression. See, interviews will be not so easy, I'm telling you. They will ask the syntaxes. You need to be very good in syntax. How to write? If you know the syntax, it doesn't matter which company you are working, which project you are doing. You can do any kind of code. Syntaxes are important. For example, see, A is equals to 100. B is equals to 200. I want to add these two numbers. I want to add these two numbers using lambda function. So what I request every student is write a variable, leave them. First call that variable. Calling the variable, and how many parameters you are sending? Calling this C, and how many you are sending? 2 parameters you are sending. So lambda, see, blue color is coming, which means it's a built-in. So C is a variable which is holding lambda concept. For this lambda, how many parameters you are sending? 2. You are sending 2 parameters. So A I am accepting with X and B I am accepting with Y. Okay, A I am accepting with X, B I am accepting with Y. Now tell me what is X, guys? 100. What is Y? 200. Accepting them and use them. You need to accept it immediately. You need to use it. See, guys, coming or not? You can ask me how we are getting the output. See, here after adding you will get 300. So 300 is nothing but coming from here on, you are calling here. So the solution will be here. Print 300 means 300 is coming. Simple logic. Simple. For example, see, let's say as I mentioned, take a value, D is equals to take a value, add 100 to it. C is equals to lambda. I will write lambda, leave it. So C is a variable. I will pass C. C is a variable which is holding lambda function. For the lambda function, I am sending the variable D, not A, T. How many you are passing? Only one parameter I am passing. So you can accept with the same thing. It's your wish. Okay, I'm sending D which is 10 and I'm accepting the D which is 10. Now tell me, guys, this 10 and this 10 both are same or different?
Same.
How it will be same? This is See, this comes under functions concept, yes or no? Lambda is also one type of function, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, these both are not same. This is D, but internally the memory addresses will be different.
Yes, sir.
So that's why instead you will confuse. So what I will do, accept with some other variable. What happens? I am calling the lambda function and I am sending D. If you are sending the D means I am accepting with F. Use that F plus 100. What is F? F is nothing but 10. 10 plus 100 is nothing but 110. See, I will get 110. Simple. Guys, concept understood, no?
Yes,
Concept.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now, I will tell you one example. One best example. Without lambda function, see, normally we will implement in 3 different ways. That particular concept we will implement in 3 different ways. One is without function. Without function. One is with function. One is with
Lambda.
lambda function. So that it will be easy to compare. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Without, with, and lambda. Okay. So first we'll start with without. Sir, what is the concept like? What concept? I need you to implement table. I need you to implement table. For example, 2 into 1 is equals to 2. 2 into 2 is equals to 4. 2 into 10 equal to 20. Equal to 20. So 2 table I want to implement. So doesn't matter, sir, only till 2 ones are 2, till 2 tens are 20 like that, or else anything I'm telling you. User based upon the user input. Suppose user want 5 table. 5 into 1, 5. So till the user want 5 table till 520s are 100. So anything user pass, you need your logic should work. Your logic should work. So what user should from what we need to take from the user? Tell me.
For loop.
Okay, for loop we will take. What inputs we need to take? What
A
table
equal
he
to-
need? Yes. What table he need? Yes or no? What table he need? What table he need? And how many he need? Yes or no? How many he need? Simple. These 2 inputs we need. So, okay. For example, let's take the user want 2 table. 2 ones are 2. The user want 2 table from 2 ones are 2 to 2 tens are 20. For example, the user want like this: 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, till 2 nines are 18. So 2 table he need. 2 ones are 2 to 2 tens are 20. He need the 2 table. How? I need the same representation, guys. I'm telling you, same exact representation. Same exact representation. See, first without function, normal, without functions, normal way. Guys, which table user needs?
2.
N is equals to 2. User need 2 table. Okay. How many he need? That we'll keep it in the for loop.
10.
So, for example, user needs, suppose he needs total 10. I mean, 2 tens are 20. Till 10 he need. Okay, till 10 he need. So, guys, see, for example, how now tell me, you need 2 ones are 2 to 2 tens are 20 means how many iterations I need to rotate? How many
11.
times I need to rotate? How many times I need to iterate? Total 10 times.
10
10
times.
10 times. Total 10 times. So, see here, for I in range of, for I in range of 1 to t plus 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
T plus 1. Why? Because 10 plus 1 is nothing but 10 plus 1 is nothing but 11. So 1 to 11 means nothing but 1 to 10. Okay. So keeping this in mind, let's say, let's write the range. Let's write the range. First, let me write the range. So I will write long here somewhere. Range. First, let me write the range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is the range. Okay. Now tell me, I value will be picking up what?
1.
1. I value will be picking up 1. Come inside. See guys, inside what I will do is, see, inside what I will do is print. See what I need? I need 2 into 1 equal to 2. This is the concept I need. Guys, tell me, this particular symbols are there, no? Who will provide these things? If you directly write means it won't multiply. What I'm saying is 2 ones are 2. The multiplication result you need here. But here, the star symbols you need to show. So, see, can I write like this? First print. N. What is N? What is N? 2.
2.
Okay. So, after 2, I need one space. Can I use comma for the space? I told in the print condition, if you keep comma, one tab space will come. Okay, 2 space. So, if I write like this, star. Now tell me what? 2 space, star will come or not in between the quotes?
Yes.
It's come.
Okay. Yes. Next again I will keep comma. Again I will keep comma. Then what happens? One tab space come or not?
Tab space. Yes.
Yes, sir. 2 space, star space. Again what I need here? I need 2 symbol, the star symbol I need 1. So what is the current I iteration?
1.
1.
1. Okay, I iteration is 1. Okay. After 1, what I need? 1 tab space. So then can I use comma?
Yes, sir.
Again I use comma. Okay, 1 tab space came. After 1 tab space, I need equal to. So for equal to, can I keep the equal to in between the quotes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Again I need 1 tab space. Okay. Again 1 tab space means again I will use comma. Then what I need here? 2. I need 2. So what is N? N is nothing but 2. 2 into what is I? 1. 2 into 1 is how much? 2. So can I do like this here? Can I do like this? Can I do N into I? What is N? N means 2. 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is how much?
2.
2. So you're getting 2 here. You are getting 2. In the next iteration, what will be the I value?
2.
2. Go inside. Again this print executes, no? Print. What is N? 2. Star symbol is there. What is I? Now currently I value is 2. Equal to will come. See, 2 into 2, how much?
4.
4. Again next iteration, I value will be picking up 3. 2 into 3 is nothing but 2 3 is a 6. Guys, you tell me from the 2 into 1 till the 10th iteration, 2 into 10 equal 20. The table will come or not?
Yes, sir.
The table will come or not? See,
Come.
every iteration, table is coming or not, guys? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
2 table.
Yes.
Suppose if you ask me, sir, I need 2 table, but I need till 2 into 20 is equals to 40. Where I will do the change? Here can I do the change? Simple. 20 iterations. Every iteration it will pick the value, it will multiply. See? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Suppose I need 3 tables, sir. Change this to 3. Same. If you execute what I am writing clearly, if you take a paper, if you note down every iteration properly, how I am writing on the screen. So now see, 3 into 1 equal to 3. Next iteration, 3 into 2 equal to 6. See, 3 table will come. Yes or no? The most 100% interview point question. They will ask you. Lot of times I face this question. Even when I have 5 years experience also I face this question. So, sir, what is there in that? See, here how many concepts you will cover? One is operator. One is print, built-ins. One is the print condition. One is the loops, understanding the range. Yes or no? And based on the user input, the logic should work. How many concepts you are covering here? Yes or no? So this space also we have clearly mentioned with the commas. Guys, I hope you understood this one. Let me take 10. 3 ones. Guys, understood?
So just wait
This
a
one-
minute. I need to note it.
Sorry?
Just wait a minute. I'm writing this.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
one.
Now, yes, please go ahead. No problem. Okay. So this is without function. Now with function, what already I told you, the logic without function or with function will be same. Yes or no? Small minor changes we need to do. Small minor changes we need to do. Control A, Control C. Yes or no? See? Control A, Control C. I'm copying. First, let me create the function. See? With function. Okay? With function. See? Def. Table. The function name is table. Okay. So here, guys, what I will do is, see? Just I will create the box here. I will call that function whenever I want. For the table, I want 2 table. Okay. And I need 10 iterations. 2 tens are 20. So I'm going to accept this 2 with n. And I'm going to accept this 10 is there now with t. Come inside. Come inside. Same code you copy, guys. Don't do anything. Same code you copy. You paste here and maintain the indentation. How to maintain the indentation? Indentation means proper structure. See, take backside, backside. 2 colon is there, no? There you click on enter. It will take you to the middle. Then print should be inside the for loop, yes or no? Print should be inside the function. Some people will confuse. Sir, should I take 1 tab space, 2 or 3? Don't confuse. Come back, come back, come back, back, back. Okay? It comes here, no? There you click on enter. Perfectly it takes to the middle. Guys, now see what you are doing. Calling the function. 2 you are sending to n. 10 you are sending to t. This logic, 2 table will come or not? Guys, 2 table will come or not?
Yes, sir.
2 table will come. See, I am executing the function. Okay, function. This saves in the memory. I am calling the function. I am calling the function 2 table. Now, sir, 2 table I need 20 times. 2 comma 20. See, 2 times 20. Sir, I need 3 table. I'll call the function 3 comma 10. 3 ones are 3 to 3 10 20. Same logic, but inside the function. But inside the function. Guys, following me now clear? Without function and with function. Everyone? Yeah. So now, can we implement those things with Lambda function, guys? Lambda function. So tell me how you will implement with Lambda function. Lambda function. How to implement with Lambda function? How to implement with Lambda function? So, see, I will do like this, guys. What do you say? For example, n is equals to 2. T is equals to 10 iterations. Okay. See, I will just write lambda, leave it. I will just write lambda, leave it. So how many times we need the for loop? See, same logic you take. Same logic. I will not do one change. Same logic I will take. I will paste it here. Same logic I will take. I will paste it. Same n into 2 into 1. So just here I will remove this one. I will remove this one. Sir, why you are removing? See, for I in range of first what it will come? 2 into 1 equal to. Here operation is there, no? I will send that operation to lambda function. I will send the operation to lambda function. How to send, sir? Simple. See, here, instead of typing n into I, so can't you send them to lambda function? Can't you send them to the lambda function? N comma I. Guys, tell me what is n? In the first iteration, I value is 1. Yes or no? Come inside. 2 into 1 equal to. See here, focus here. Here what you are doing? What is C? For the C you are giving n and I. What is C? C is a lambda function. C is a lambda function. So how many parameters you are sending for lambda function? N and I. So can I do like this? N I will accept with X. I will accept with Y is equals to, what is X now? X is nothing but 2. Y is nothing but current iteration I value is 1. Right side I will use them. X into Y. 2 into 1 is how much? 2. So you'll get 2 or not here. Yes or no? Simple. For example, in the next iteration, I value will be 2. Go inside. 2 into 2 equal to, see here, in this operation, for the lambda function, for this lambda function, you are sending n. N means n I will accept with X. I will accept with Y. But what is n? What is n? N is nothing but 2, which is in the X is nothing but n, which is 2. What is I? In the current iteration, I value is 2. We are giving to Y. Colon, I will write like X into Y. 2 into 2 is nothing but 4. Same concept is same. Just here you are giving to the lambda function. So in a simple way, see, you are doing this calculation, no? This calculation I am doing inside the lambda. That's it. I am sending those n comma I to lambda. And I am doing the calculation here. Simple. See, you will get the table. Guys, understood with lambda? Guys, understood everyone? With the lambda function.
Yes, sir.
So any input you give. So you need 3 table, it will work. You need 10 times, 3 table 20 times, 15 times, give. See, just here previously you are directly writing, but this calculation I am just giving to the lambda. Every time goes, find, calculate, here, print it. Guys, I hope understood everyone how the lambda function works, and also difference between normal way of implementing, functions implementing, and lambda function implementing. Lambda function is reusable. There is no function name. How can we see? It's a reusable. For example, see from here, I am sending C of 1 comma 2. C of 1 comma 2. See, I am getting 2. How it is getting? How this C of 1 comma 2 is working? So what is C? Generally, what is C? Now what is C? C is a lambda function, yes or no? C is a lambda. So you are sending 1 to X, 2 to Y, and you are using them. So 1 into 2 is nothing but 2. See here, C of 1 comma 2. This input will come here because C is holding lambda, where you are sending 1 comma 2. Where 1 I am giving to X, 2 I am giving to Y. 1 into 2 is nothing but 2. 1 into 2 is nothing but 2. See, you are getting the 2. Lambda function is also reusable. That's what I am saying. Function means reusable, but here only function name will be not there. We need to work with variable itself. Guys, I hope everyone clear. Everyone clear, right? Yeah. So now what I will tell you is, as I mentioned in the last section, I will be explaining you the assignment questions. I'm not going to start a new topic, because new topic, the next, see, there are silly concepts, guys, which is not at all important. Let's say map, filter, reduce. In my experience, I didn't work with this, so useless. What are important? Only those things I will focus. Next concept that I am going to teach you is comprehensions. Very, very important, comprehensions. See, it is also an option only, but why I'm saying it's important is, in interviews they will ask you to implement with comprehension. That's why we need to learn comprehension. That's why we need to learn comprehension. So if we complete comprehension, intermediate level of Python is completed. Then we'll go to advanced level, which is file handling. Okay, which is exception handling. Okay, then OOPS, complete OOPS, like class, object, constructor, inheritance, types of inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. Okay, OOPS concept. Then Python advanced also completed. Then we'll go with DS tools. data related tools. You can call it as data science tools or you can call it as data analysis tools. It's your wish. Okay. NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. Then I will tell you statistics and I will implement the statistics with Python properly. Then we'll go to the SQL part slowly. Okay. How many days it will take, sir? I can't tell. I don't know. So which one you are asking? Python you are asking? So what is the date today? 8. Mostly by 28th, I will complete till advanced Python. These tools and stats will take till month end. So till February end, we'll complete this entire piece. Then we'll go with SQL. Okay. Okay, keep it aside. Let me open this assignment. So now see the challenging questions I will tell you. Let's see how many people will implement. Will do the assignment. I will tell you how to do the assignment, everything. Assignments also, let's say I have maintained it clearly. I have prepared very clearly for the students. So see. Let me check this. Don't know where it is. Okay. So what was the concept? The first assignment that I am going to give to you is strings. Okay, lot of assignments are there. Every concept assignment, I'll tell you how to implement. Say strings assignment. I will tell you how I will share this file, everything. So first understand the questions. So strings assignment. So see, same, this is a Jupyter notebook, same like here only, same how you see here, same thing in my local laptop. See, so you will be having 10 questions. So let me explain you each question. Question number 1, write a Python program to count number of characters in a string without using length function. So for example, if I write A is equals to data, if I ask you total how many are there, you will write length of A. Am I right, guys? Immediately you will write length of A, I will get output 4. You
Yes,
should
sir.
not use length. You should not use length. Without using length, find out how many characters are there. For example, if I write data, there are 4
With index
characters.
we can do.
Somebody is talking with me.
With index we can do.
With index. I think with index it is not possible. Okay, you do. The way you can do while verifying. If there is any mistakes, I will let you know. Okay. So here the question is, if I write any, doesn't matter what I write. See, I have given the sample input and sample output. For example, if I give this input, the output should be 11, which means 11 are there, including space will be also counted. You know that very well. So I might give any input, your logic should work. Your logic should work. Suppose if I give A is equals to Kamal. So total 5. Total 5. You need to get. This is the question number 1. See, the question is here. Sample input. That see, don't stick with only this one. Just for verification purpose, I have given. Sample input, sample output. So if you give this one, this should come. If I give some other Kamal means I need to get 5. If I give data means I need to get 4. Okay. So please write the solution here for the above question 1. So the code, whatever the code that you are writing, please write here. Don't do in your own file. Open this file. Here only you need to write the code so that I can check the question and I can verify your code. And I will be giving the feedback. I will, once you submitted, I will open a new cell here. See, I will open a new cell. Here I will give the feedback of this question. If there is any mistakes, I will give there. Okay. So this is question number 1.
Drive.
Sorry,
No, from where can we get these assignments?
I will tell you.
Okay, but one more doubt. Is it accessible for everyone? Because if someone submits this one, how others can enter the code and submit?
No, it will be available for everyone. Like I will tell you, in the drive I will keep. You download your copy, other student download other copy, and you will submit directly to me in the Slack individually.
Okay. Actually, Slack is not accessible for me. So from my mobile.
Also, sir, Slack is not
Sorry?
accessible me, not added me.
Mail? Did you get the mail?
Sir, yes, sir.
Whatever the mail that you have given, for that mail you will be getting the invitation. Okay. So if the invitation is not coming, please check the spam folder. In the spam folder also, if the invitation is not there, give some other mail ID. It might be issue with your mail ID. Okay. So this is question number 1. Now next question. Question number 2. Write a Python program to reverse a string without using slicing. See, for example, if I give you data, I know that you will do like this from the starting till the end -1. So you will get ATAD. You should not use this slicing. First point. You should not use this slicing. I'm telling you. Okay. Use the loops. Use the loops. Try to implement without this one. Clearly mentioning. Easy logics.
Sir, if I
Easy,
take
easy.
palindrome is correct that one string without using.
Palindrome. Palindrome. That's what I say. No, without using this slicing, you do however you need. Okay. Question number 2. Next, you need to write the solution here. Question number 3. Write a Python program to check if a string is palindrome. Don't use slicing. See, I think both the code is same. Am I right? A small if condition will be there. Yes or no? Here you will reverse. Here also you will reverse. Here after reversing you will compare with if. Okay. So take a input. Like suppose if you write NUN. Suppose if you write NUN. Reverse it. Reverse also NUN only. So both are same. So it's a palindrome. So number, not only number, string will be also palindrome. So this is question number 3. Question number 4. Write a Python program to find the most common character in a string. For example, my name is Kamal. What is the common character in my name?
Yeah.
A and A. Highest repeating one. In a simple way, if I want to say, highest repeating one. Okay. Please find that. Highest repeating one. Any input should pass. I'm telling you. Question number 5. Write a Python program to check if two strings are anagram. So I will explain you this concept. What is the meaning of anagram? Guys, see, if I am taking A is equals to listen, B is equals to, I am taking silent. So do this character, whatever the character that is present in the B, is it present in the A or not? See, S is there or not? I is there or not? L is there or not? E is there or not? N is there or not? T is there or not? Guys, see, whatever the characters, I'm not talking about the text, whatever the characters that are present in the B, do it present in the A or not? So they both are anagram. For example, another logic I will tell you. A is equals to listen. B is equals to HOO listen. Now tell me anagram or not? See,
No.
whatever the characters that are in the A, see, whatever the characters that are in the A, in the B it is there or not? A is having LISTN. In the B, LISTN is there or not? Is there or not?
There.
There, no?
Yes, sir.
Don't focus on this one. A is having LISTN. In the B, it is there or not?
Yes, it is
In the
there.
B, it is there. So it's also anagram. I hope you're following. Suppose A is equals to, for example, if A is equals to listen Kamal, for example, listen Kamal. Now tell me, listen Kamal is there in the B? No. Only listen is there. But then what about Kamal? So it's not an anagram. So whatever that is there in the A, if it's present in the B, enough. B might be anything. B might be anything. The characters which are in the A should present in the B. See here, because the characters in the var2 is in var1. What is the meaning of that? For example, if I want to change, I will do the change here also. See, if you double click internally, this markdown, I mean, this text, we'll use the text box to write now. So I have used that one, I have written. So both are anagram because character. So the characters which are in the var1 should present in var2. Should present in var2. Doesn't matter what is var2, I'm telling you. This is question number 5. Question number 6, write the logic here. Question number 6, write a Python program to remove all the vowels from the string. For example, my name is Kamal. What are the general vowels according to the English? A, E, I, O, U. Capital A, capital E, capital I, capital O, capital U. Okay. So A is an vowel, O is an vowel. Remove these two. And only I need to get KML. Yes or no? For example, see Python. What are the vowels in Python?
O.
O. Remaining things should print. Remove the vowels and print the remaining things. You need to remove the vowels. Next one. Write a Python program to find longest word in the string. Longest word. For example, I am from United States. United States. What is the longest word? United States is the longest word. This should be my output. This is very, very easy logic. I will give the hint also. Split them and check. Hint I have given. Okay. Question number 7. Question number 8. See here. Write a Python program to capitalize the first letter of each word in the string. So what I'm telling is, for example, I am from India. Guys, what title will do generally? What title function will do?
Capital letters.
It will
Capitalize.
capitalize the first letter. In the am, first letter it will capitalize, remaining things will be small. So here also, for example, in the from, if you have like a small f, capital ROM, what happens? F will be capital, remaining things convert smalls. In this word, I will be capital, remaining thing will be small. So you need to implement this logic without using title. So don't use built-in function title. Without using title, write the logic. I will give the hint. I am from India. So what you have to do is, you collect each word. In the each word, first letter make upper. Remaining things make lower. Simple. You can use upper and lower. I'm telling you. Just you should not use capital. Title. Understood, guys? That is question number 8.
Yes, sir.
Let's say question number 9. One of the most interview point question which I faced when I worked for a company at I can check one of the beautiful company. Right. So this one. AI company, completely AI company. So this company asked me this question. That's why I put in here. So what you have to do is see. Yes, my name is what that particular module lead asked me. Your name is Sai Kamal. So what output they need is in a dictionary format. Yes is there. Yes, how many times it is repeating? Only one time. Comma, key and value. A, how many times it is repeating? Guys, A how many times it is repeating? 3 times. I, how many times it is repeating? 1. Space, how many times it is repeating? 1. K, how many times? 1. M, how many times? 1. L, how many times? 1. So each character should be the key and its count, how many times it is present, should be the value. Guys, understood logic? Logic understood?
Yes, sir.
Frequency of each character in a string, dictionary format. Output should be in the dictionary format, I'm telling you. Next, question number 10.
Yes.
Question
Sir,
number 10.
here we can use, hello?
Yes, please.
Here we can use any functions, no? So not mention
I didn't-
any function.
I didn't mention anything now, so you can use. If there is mention means you should not use.
Okay.
Last question, question number 10. What is the question number 10? Write a Python program to find the sum of all the even character based on ASCII values. For example, I'm telling here, same thing applicable for here also. For example, A is equals to Kamal. A is equals to Kamal. So for this one, and this one, you will be having ASCII value, yes or no? You will be having ASCII values, yes or no? A ASCII value is 97. What is the ASCII value for L? Guys, what is the ASCII value for L? What the 108. What is the ASCII value for M? 109. What is the ASCII value for K? 107. So you need to, whatever the input you are passing, you need to find the ASCII value. Point number 1, you need to find the ASCII value. In that ASCII value, what you have to do, see, what you have to do, you need to pick up only even numbers. Even numbers. So what are the even numbers here? Only 108 is an even number. 108 is only an even number. For example, see, if I write, let's say, another LA, Kamal LA. So L again means 108, A means 97. So tell me guys, in this overall text, what are the even numbers? 108 and 108 are even numbers. You need to add them. You need to add them. You will get an answer. See, write a Python program to find the sum of all even character based on ASCII values. So in the Shah Rukh Khan, if you find the ASCII value for every character and whatever the characters that are having even numbers, pull them and add them. If you add, you will get 464. Okay. If you add, you will get 464. So this is completely
Sir, excuse me.
assignment. Yes.
Space as also ASCII value. Space.
Huh?
Space.
Space.
Yeah.
For the space, ASCII value is there or not? See, 32 is there. Don't count space. Don't count space, okay? Don't count space. Only characters is enough. Okay, these are the 10 questions. Now, the point here is, see, as I mentioned, 10 questions. Don't copy the code from the internet, paste it here. Okay, don't copy the code from the internet, paste it here. I'm telling you, don't copy with the ChatGPT. You might copy in the internet, but immediately I will use the software which I have in my system. It will tell me whether it is a copied text or a written text. Okay, so if you don't know the question, leave it. Just write here, like pass. So if you don't know, if you're not getting the logic, means leave it. Okay, leave it, but don't copy the code from the internet. Just try genuinely from your side, because a lot of students will copy and put it here. Okay, and second thing is, whatever the concepts we completed, I know, like if you copy, so you can ask me, sir, how you will get to know like whether it is a copied code or not. For example, see, lot of students in the string assignment, lot of students will use a function that is sorted. Did I teach this one, guys? Did I teach this one? Sorted function, did I teach?
No, sir.
In the list concept, I have teach sort A dot sort. Yes or no? I didn't teach this one. Then how he is writing? Copied code. Okay. Please don't copy the code from internet or chat GPT, anything. Okay. If you want to learn the logic, just learn from internet and try on your own. Try on your own. Okay. And the I am not getting voice. Your voice, Priyanka. Please can you? Yeah. Okay. She is speaking to someone else. Okay. Point number 2. Let's say, okay, copying those things I will not allow. And the second thing is the deadline. For example, deadline I am giving you. So for example, what is this? I think today Wednesday, right? Wednesday, Thursday. I don't know. Oh, Thursday. We completed almost.
Thursday.
Okay, Thursday. Today Thursday. Okay, remove Tuesday. So imagine you are starting the assignment from tomorrow morning. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. By Sunday evening, 5 p.m. I need the assignment. I'm telling you, all the performance will be recorded. So in time submission and the code. If you don't know, means leave it. If you copy the code, the entire assignment will be treated like not submitted. Okay, don't copy the code. If you don't know, leave it. Okay. And
But at least for logics, can we refer internet?
yes, you refer. That's what I'm saying. You go to internet, you study the blogs, you even see the code. You even see the code. Okay, you understand the code, whatever it might be. What I'm saying is like copy pasting here. Those things not allowed. Why? Because you will be having the mock interviews. Definitely. In the mock interviews, if I give the same question, in the assignment you are doing the question means in the mock interviews also you need to do. Yes or no? If you're not implementing in mock interviews, that means it will be a copy code. Okay. So make sure you learn the things perfectly. And in time submission by Sunday evening 5 p.m. please submit the code. Now I will tell you where this will be available.
Hello.
Rahul, yes, please,
Sir,
Rahul.
I am in working person, so Friday, Saturday it's not possible. So it's deadline extend to me.
Okay, we'll do the working employees, like if it is not possible means what you do is like I am sending the assignment today, no? Like today night I will send. Consider to from tomorrow morning. What I am giving is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday I am giving. 3 days I am giving. So in these 3 days, the working employees who are not possible to submit, please write a mail to this mail. Please note down vihara@gmail.com. Okay, you just write a mail asking that some extension, like how many, what date you will submit. So it will be considered. Okay.
Okay.
Now, now, sir, where
I also
this will?
tried myself. If it's possible, means I can also make.
Yeah, no problem. So you just mention the reason there and wait. Okay, now you can ask me where it will be available. So I am opening the Slack. I am opening the Slack. So I will go to the channel, for example. Let's say I will go to the channel. So in the channel, I will upload the file. In the channel, I don't know where it is, what name they put. Okay, this one I think so. Okay, so this is the channel. So what I will do is I'm going to share the assignment. So the assignment is going to provide on string concept. Deadline is Sunday evening 5 p.m. Okay, deadline is Sunday evening 5 p.m. So I'm just giving the message to you, and you need the file, no? Yes or no? The file you need. So I'm going to upload the file. So where is the file? Somewhere the file will be. So somewhere in the assignments, strings, Python string concept file I'm uploading. So now I will tell you how you need to do the work. Okay. See, I have sent the assignment file. I have sent the assignment file to the Slack channel, to the Slack channels.
Could you please tell me again? Actually, my screen is stuck due to network issue here.
No, no. What I need to say?
Could you please explain how to open and do these all things? Because my screen is stuck due to network issue.
No, no, no. What I'm saying is I have sent the file. Okay. If you open the
Okay.
Slack channel, you will be seeing a message and you will be seeing this file from my name. So what
Okay.
I'm saying is, imagine now I am the student. So you will be seeing this file now. You download the file. Every student should download the file first. Download the file. So once downloading the file, where this file will be? In the downloads, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Every student go to the Slack channel, download the file. Once downloading the file will be available in the downloads. See, it is available in the downloads. So what I request every student is, you download the file now, you upload that file to the Google Drive. Okay. So where you are working, somewhere you will work now in the Google Drive, somewhere you will work. So to the Google Drive, you upload that file. You upload that file to the Google Drive. Why you are uploading?
Do we have access to create any folders or upload the files? It's not read only.
No, no. What I'm saying is, buddy, like I will give you this file I have given in the Slack now. You will download, you will upload to your drive. So it's your wish. Your drive you can maintain folders. It's your wish now.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. See, download the file and upload to Google Drive. Upload to your Google Drive. Okay. This drive will be not accessible. These drives will be accessible only to download the files, recordings. Okay. This is my drive. This is office drive. Okay. Your drive, upload the file to your drive and see file is uploaded. If why we are uploading to the drive? Tell me, what is this file? Collab file, Jupyter notebook file. Where it will be open? The software is
Collaborate.
present in the Google Drive only. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's why if I double click it, see, the same file, it is opened in the Google Drive. See, it takes time. Oh. Okay. So the file is loading. Okay. See, file is loading. Just click on connect. If you click on connect, it will connect to the Python. See, question is there. Sample input is there. Sample output is there. Write the code here. Write the code. Execute. Question is there. Sample input, sample output. Write the code. Execute. So I will minimize. It will be very close my system. Okay. So question is there. Sample input, sample output. Write the code. Execute. After doing all the assignment, what you will do? You need to submit me, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You need to submit me. So how you will submit? After doing all the code, when you want to submit me, go to the file option. Go to the file option and download the file. Okay. First, whatever I am providing in the Slack, you download to your laptop, you upload to the drive, you complete the assignment, then again you download the completed one. See, completed from completed file, whatever the concept that you completed, whatever the assignment you completed, download it. After downloading, what you will do? You open the Slack, you just open my account, just click on my name. If you want to send me the message, just the message option will be there. Message option will, for example, any student, this Sushma is there. If I want to send the message, click on the name, click on the message. So send the file for me. Click on this plus button, upload from the computer, go to the download. See, this is the file which you have done the assignment. Yes or no? This is the file which you have done the assignment. Send me the file. Just click on it, click on open and click on the send option. So the file will be received to me. File will be received to me.
We
So I will
can
check.
read the file and send, right?
Sorry?
Bite
can-
alternated.
File and send, right?
No, I'm not getting your voice. Can you repeat it once again?
No. So after doing the assignments, we have to again re-upload to Slack, right? So in that time,
Yes.
can we rename the file?
Yes, you can rename. You can rename.
Yeah.
You can rename. That's what I'm saying. Simple logic. Open the Slack. From the Slack, download. After downloading, upload it to your Google Drive. Your Google Drive. So in the drive, daily you are working or not in your Google Drive? You are working now. So somewhere create a folder and there you upload. Complete the assignment. Complete the assignment. After completing, download and send. Open the Slack. In the Slack, send to me. Simple. Understood?
Sir, if I download the file, it shows Windows player not support anything in ideally. Yeah, if I
No,
download
okay.
Windows
While
player is
downloading, it is not at all download. I mean, what I'm saying is, while you're clicking on download option, it is not giving the permission, right?
no, sir. In ideally, if I download the file, program, anything, file download option is there. No, Python ideally.
Yeah. This
If
one.
I download this, then Windows player is not support. It shows.
Windows. What laptop you're using? What configuration? What is the OS?
6.
11.
11.
Windows 6. Windows 10 or 11? 10. I think that is the issue. No problem. So for those candidates, what you do is, see, you have the here, no option is there, no share option.
Okay.
The share option. Click on the share. Click on the share option. Copy the link. A link will be there. See, copy link. Copy this link, but it is restricted. So if you share me this collab notebook link also, if you share this collab notebook link also, if you share with me, if I click on it, it won't open. Why? Because it is restricted. So after sharing with me, I will click it. It will ask the permission. You just accept it. In the online also, I will check it. No problem.
Okay.
Okay. So now in the Slack, I clearly mentioned the assignment file. Please complete the assignment.
Sir,
Clear, guys, everyone?
how we can connect to the Slack?
Come on once again.
How we can connect to the Slack?
How we can connect to the Slack? I think you received the mail. Did you check the mail?
Yes, sir, but I didn't receive any mail actually.
Let me check whether you received or not. Here itself, I will tell you.
Okay.
So what is the name? What is your name? Hemant, right? Hemant Bhuvanagiri. This is the one.
Yeah.
This is the mail ID.
Yes, sir.
Please check your mail ID once again in the spam folder. Everything. You will be receiving invitation for sure. If not, please connect with the team tomorrow, Satish or anyone.
Yes, sir.
Do
I received just now. I received.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So all the people they have invited. Please check them.
So we'll be having the lecture tomorrow.
Why? What happened tomorrow?
I'm just asking.
No. Tomorrow class will be there. So I thought like any festival or what?
No, it's like that.
Okay.
Sir, send me also invitation, please.
Send me invitation. Who's the name? Hardeep.
Yes.
Okay. Let me check your name. Hardeep Singh. Check your mail. We already sent the invitation. Please check the mail clearly.
Please check my.
See, we have already sent this long back. I think 4-5 days back. I think so. In between these 4 days, how many mails you got? Please scroll down in the inbox. Please check clearly. You will get the mail.
Last one.
You will get the mail like Vihara Tech domain name, channel name. Clearly, it will mention.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one more person is asking, what is the name?
Rahul Mane.
Rahul. Rahul name is not there. What's the mail ID? Just give me 4 letters of the mail ID.
Rahul Mane.
Rahul Mane, not there. Please keep in the chat now itself. I will send. Keep in the chat your mail ID.
Sir, can we log in with your email? It is asking
Mhm.
sign in with email.
Sir, which ID is you have in my record? My ID.
One minute, buddy. One by one. Please, like, first let me complete this Rahul's issue. So add people. Add. Yeah, Rahul, please check it. Unable to send. Couldn't invite. So yeah. So these accounts I need to check. I think couldn't invite. So can you send some other mail ID, Rahul? It's your mail ID issue. Oh, I think you are already in the workspace. So let me check in my workspace. Work manage members. So let me give. I don't know. I think this mail ID is deactivated. I think so. Okay. Okay. Now if I add you. Okay. Yeah, you are already there now. Please check it, Rahul.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
One person is
Sir,
asking me.
Sir, which
Sir,
ID? Please check my
One.
ID. Which ID is Hardeep?
See your mail ID. You have given this one.
Okay.
Okay. Next person, please.
Sir, it is asking sign into Vihara Tech, no?
Yes. Please sign in with your mail ID.
Okay.
Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. All the files are here. Please start.
Please wait once.
Yeah.
How can I?
Sorry.
Oh, wait 2 minutes, please.
Okay.
I will log in here.
Okay. Click on sign in or sign up option. Like give your mail ID password. The account will be created for you. In our domain, your account will be created. Simple.
Sir, if we are unable to access a Slack, so is it possible for you to send the assignment in any other modes?
Mostly we can send in anywhere. Yeah, if you need like the assignment, I can keep in the drive also. So let's say in the drive somewhere. So for 2 folders I will create for another people also. So Python module people also there. For example, let's say Python assignment. So here if you want I will upload the file. That's not an issue. But mostly the things will be discussed in the Slack only, like connecting or sharing the questions or doubts, anything in the Slack. Because why Slack means it's a real-time usage tool. If you once get the job means every company they will use the Teams or Slack, anything.
Okay. Yeah,
So it becomes practice for you.
fine.
Okay, completely clear
Sir,
now?
it's open now. In GitHub, you uploaded this file. In GitHub,
In
Vihara
GitHub.
Tech.
No, I uploaded in the drive. Nowhere I uploaded. In the drive only I uploaded just now. See.
Common data analysis. Okay. Python strings. Okay. After this downloading, we can start.
Yes.
Okay.
I told you just now. I told you clearly. Once again, watch the recording. It will be easy to understand. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So what things we discussed today? Just give me a minute. So Lambda we discussed. Let me download and upload to the Python module student and also Lambda functions. Yes. Next. Okay, this is completed. So here what I need to upload, I need to upload PPT if I'm not wrong. So PPT. Somewhere PPT, Python. Where it is. Okay, Lambda. Okay, it's not important. No, that's why I think I didn't create it for Lambda. Okay, next material, which is the written one. So this written one. Somewhere in the download, I will download like Lambda, and I will upload in the materials. Same copies in another drive for the students. For them also I will upload. Okay,
Sir,
clear now, guys? Yes.
Sir, in which app we can open this one?
Which app? What app? I'm not understanding.
After downloading this is not open.
Just now I told you, now you need to download from the Slack
Mm.
You need to upload to the drive.
Okay.
Okay, watch the recording once, Prasanna. Like clearly explained. Download, you need to upload to the drive. There you need to work. Again, download there again and send it.
Okay.
Okay.
Actually, network issue there. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why
No
I'm not.
problem. You can watch the recording perfectly.
Mm.
Okay, guys. Clear now? See you tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Let me stop recording.